11:02 and it's already packed.
All right, guys, this is the Faction Open House. What are you thinking so far? I think it's pretty successful. Look at this. It's pretty sick. Tattoo parlor, surf rock band, the Chevy sofas. Do you see the sofas around in the shop? I love that. Love that. There's a sim in there. There's a coffee shop. There's so many cool things, and it's literally 11. We just opened up. Awesome. I think today's gonna be a really sick day, dude. So shout out to Faction. Shout out to Frankie, Eddie, Malcolm, Princess, Ethan, or whoever else, Miyagi, who helped out with this. So thanks for having us all.
To the open house.
We are operational.
Yeah.
Yeah, we met.
We gotta try these, you know what I'm saying?
Pandemonium over here, but I'm feeling pretty good.
What's up, baby?
How you doing?
How are you?
Walking embodiment of New Jersey car meet right
What's up, Bobby?
What the?
How you doing, Frankie?
I'm doing good. This place has got a lot of people going on.
Yeah.
Trying to keep everybody out of the road.
Yo, get Helen in the video.
Hi, we're at Faction. It's lit, open house, come through.
This is gonna be posted after.
So awkward. Easy as hell.
Dude, the turnout was amazing at Faction. Like, it was so busy. Like, I couldn't even see that wall. I couldn't even see that S13 over there. Insane. So many cool people, so many cool cars, and thank you to everybody who waited in line because there was a rush. And it was phenomenal. I hope everybody enjoyed their drinks. Shout out to Faction for allowing us to be at their place, and hope to be here again.
Yeah, right.
We had a huge line earlier. We had like 20 people in line. We're backed up for like, you know, an hour, hour and a half. Bringing out the rig, bringing out the FK Sim Solutions rig. We try to build professional simulators for everybody. We just want to bring what the pros know to just regular people. These are full turnkey solutions, so we can deliver them in your home and everything like that. And you can rest assured that you're getting the best. Yeah, hope we can do this again.
Give me some insights.
Damn, I'm hungry. That's making me hungry, bruh. It's kind of crazy. It's a lot of people.
Hey, yo!
That's all we made. Wasn't worth it. Is this a vlog?
It might be.
I hate FrankieBovino.com. Let's start it up. Let's get it going.
We're both gonna cop the food. Yeah.
Really good turnout. Parking was a little weird in the beginning, but we got all situated. The shop looks amazing.
Yo! Hi, we're here. It's dope. It's crazy. Very overstimulated.
He is. You can tell.
This is the coolest thing I've ever been to in an automotive shop in my life.
Oh, yeah.
And I think a band's about to play. Sick. Sick.
Yeah.
So sick.
Great. Everyone's behaving, mostly. Yeah, I mean, it's great. Way more people than I thought would be here, honestly.
This is wild.
Yeah, no, insane.
Yo, what's going on, man?
I didn't realize his car was so crazy modified already. Like,
Which one? Nah, there's nothing, man. It's all. What do you mean? It's all.
Yeah, but it looks awesome though.
It's all pretty stuff. But the people that buy it sometimes, just like how we spoke about, sometimes they don't have style.
Yeah.
You can't buy style. Exactly how we were saying.
cannot.
So sometimes you have a 34, it looks like.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, that's true.
100
Almost 120, like 119.6.
Same. What?
109.
Say we're all the same.
Oh, baby.
I wanted to hit
Literally.
some 200. We got 420. What? Oh, you got 109.
109.
That's so funny.
110.
Everyone's getting 110. They got a sim in there.
I got
114. It's the ice cream, baby.
Eat ice cream.
Yep, 120. I saw it.
Oh, wait. I hit 130.
Hold on, I took lefty.
Insane. If you weren't here, you missed out. I don't know what else to tell you. It's crazy.
You missed
The
this,
cops were here kicking. They said, "Yo, you're done." We said, "Nah, we're not done." Tried kicking everyone out. They kind of did, but
Coffee was busting.
the coffee was busting. Everything was busting. You guys weren't here. It was sick.
Yeah, I didn't know you had Bad Bunny coming.
On a film band.
No, the people that are about to perform.
Oh, it's not Bad Bunny, but it's gonna be sick. Tell Malcolm Bad Bunny just showed up. He's gonna freak out. He's gonna be like, F that.
Nice surprise. I was not expecting a tattoo set up at an open house this first time, but it's like the most legit garage tat I've ever gotten. a garage tattoo is iconic, and this one's actually upscale. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
check after this. Fat check. What's happening? Traffic moving. There's no spots on the block. So if everybody could help just get people to keep going, because there's no more parking. We're full.
It was a massive success. So, yeah, I can't, literally nothing went wrong. Today was the most perfect day for this. So, first nice day in like 3 weeks. The cops were super nice, way too nice, honestly. I would have shut this shit down. And yeah, everyone who came and they parked on that side of the road, we asked them to leave and go somewhere else, and everyone listened. So thank you guys for that. There were some, of course, that got the cops mad in the first place. Whoever peeled out over here, left a burnout mark, made an illegal left. Yeah, those people suck, but it happens. You can't control everyone. Thank you guys for coming. Appreciate it. We probably won't do this again for a while, but and to be honest, my landlords are in Bermuda right now, so, and they're probably gonna watch this video. I mean, I would if I was them. And if they were here, they probably would have been panicking. So I don't know. This might not ever happen again. It was too perfect. If you weren't here this time, you missed it. That's all I'm gonna say. 'Cause this was crazy. We had a band. We had a band. We had a food truck. We had drift simming. We had selling all day. Crazy.
quickest transport for a gig for them. It's right down the street. We're right down the same complex. Right? Oh, I'm deaf right now, dude.
Great success.